Hey folks, JD here, and today we're going to be taking the Parrot Bebop up again, but I thought I'd take it up today in higher winds than I've ever taken her up. So today we've got winds gusting up to 18 miles an hour and a steady wind, or well, constant wind of 12. And I'm controlling the Bebop via my phone, because I haven't yet. I was going back through what we've done with the Bebop and I was like, well, every single time I've controlled with a Sky controller, which is most definitely the best way to control this, absolutely. You know, but I wanted to see what it's like. I mean, we have a lot of these larger quads are very good when it comes to controlling them with smart devices, and I wanted to see if this one was the same. And of course it's going to be. Of course it's going to be. But I just wanted to give it a go. I just wanted to see exactly what it was like and what sort of flight we'd have out of her using the Wi-Fi. Now, oh, see, I love it. Just let go of the transmitter, let go of positive pitch, back she comes, slams the brakes on, and that's it, she's stabilised again. But it's just fantastic, the optical flow system working. We have got quite a low light situation here. There's not much we can really do about that, other than quite literally just use it as much as we possibly can. So let's get some video recording. Well, actually it shows me that I am recording. Let me see if I stop that. Yeah, starts recording on flight. Only thing is, my counter isn't working, so it's not telling me how many minutes of video or how many seconds of video it has recorded yet. I mean, the good thing about controlling a GPS quadcopter via a smart device like this is you have got that return to home option, you know, so as soon as you lose transmission range, then you are going to be having the quad coming back, which is good. But it's really stable, really steady, and I feel like I've got a lot of transmission, a lot of control over the soft analog sticks. And she dances extremely well as well in the air, using this medium as a control method. Now, that seems to be all right, and I'm walking quite far back, and even though I'm not in the correct signal arc as I should be, you know, I've still got pretty good. What have I got? 37% quadcopter battery, full signal. Let's take a little further back, walk a little further back, and I'm pretty sure that I still won't have any issue. There we are, look. No issue whatsoever. Beautiful. Beautiful. She's handling this wind extremely well. I mean, you forget how good these old copters actually were. You know, okay, you can rant and rave about the new ones. They are exceptional. But at least with this, you were still in control. You know, there wasn't that much of a computer computer-aided flight. I mean, now with some quads, they're so smooth and they're so exceptional that it does make me think, do you know what, it just doesn't feel like you are actually flying them anymore. It feels like as if you're being allowed to take them up and to fly them around within parameters that they want you to fly around in. Sorry if this wind is a bit too loud. As a Wi-Fi quad, she's actually alright. Of course, I prefer the Sky controller. Then you've got distance. Then you've got height, you know. But even if you didn't, you know, even if you weren't to use a Sky controller, even if you were just to use, you know, Wi-Fi medium such as this, your options are still good. Your options are still good. I like that a lot, and you've still got quite a good amount of settings on here as well. I mean, and you've still got all the telemetry you could want. Okay, battery's down to 19%, so what I'm going to do, I'm probably going to take her back. I just wanted to have a short flight today, just to see, one, how she did, two, exactly how she was performing via this, and yeah, I'm happy. 17% battery, by the look of it. I'm very happy with how she's performed. 92% battery on my phone, that's about right. I haven't long taken off charge. Beautiful. Lovely. You can't really go wrong with that, I don't think. Alright then, 15% less, bring her home. You don't have that precision from Wi-Fi, that's the only thing, from your soft analog controller. batteries red on the back. Okay. Perfect. Let's land her. Ah, always fun to take you up, Mr. Bebop. Always fun. Well, there we are. Nice little flight with the Bebop just on Wi-Fi there. And yeah, you know what? I say it again. I'm really happy with her. Really happy with her. Well, there we are, folks. I hope you've enjoyed that. Thanks ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.